see something, I really can't. This is 25th of February. We started out at, hopefully this wind isn't going to tip everything over. We started out at about 9:30 a.m. This is southern Minnesota. We were at 17 degrees Fahrenheit, -8 C. I'm trying a new configuration or setup, as I call it, today. So I'm bringing you along to try and share as much information as I can. Okay, this is, I think I can see that, this is an Anchor Hocking 4-quart mixing bowl. Thrift store lid, kind of a low-rise one. Inside there is another thrift store very low-rise lid. There is an enamelware, what they call a salad bowl, a 1-quart salad bowl. It's like 7 3/4 inches diameter. It is sitting in a Pyrex 323 small mixing bowl. Okay, that is half cup rice, 1 cup water. I've never used this particular configuration before. It's starting to stick to the bottom. Let me try this here. I've never had that happen before. We're sticking to the enamelware. So this was a test of this setup. I like, when I can, to have a bowl within a bowl. I'm using a Tiangtan Sun funnel panel cooker. Hopefully you can see that. It's so bright out here I can't see a blasted thing. I'm going to turn this, hopefully that will reduce glare. I'm using my homemade sun sight there, and for the first time I'm using shelf liner in an attempt to stable things out. Mixed bag on that. It did help greatly until I started dinking with it. So if you're going to use the shelf liner, use a oversized piece. I'd say mine is 1 foot here. I'm thinking a 3-foot piece would be best, just for when you're trying to line things up, align the cooker and whatnot. I ran into trouble with that. So I'd call it a success. I'm going to get this out of here. Hopefully you don't have to chase a cooker down the street. Like I said, the 25th of February, we're just over an hour and a half. Half cup rice, 1 cup of water. That salad bowl, 323 4-quart Anchor Hocking setup. 17 degrees Fahrenheit to start and -8 C. Thank you.